everyone! Welcome to the English Grammar Show. I'm your host, Bae, and our two contestants here are Barkley and Bonk. Today's theme is about the past continuous. Let's get started. Our first round is a battle round. Contestants ask each other questions about the past continuous until one of you makes a mistake. Bonk, would you like to start first? What do we use the past continuous for? We use it to talk about actions that were happening at a certain time in the past. Okay, my turn. What is the formula for the past continuous? It's subject plus was or were plus verb ing. Give me an example then. I was having dinner with your girlfriend at 8 p.m. last night. Ha! Fine. Right. What about the negative form? Easy peasy. We just need to add not after the to be verbs. So we have subject plus was or were plus not plus verb ing. For example, you were not having dinner with my girlfriend at 8 p.m. last night. I was. Now, how do you form a question in the past continuous? Well, was or were plus subject plus verb ing. In with a question mark. Easy. Was she still driving around District 1 at midnight? Right. It's a tie for the battle round. I'll ask a question, and the first one to ring the bell will answer. What are the 3 common uses of the past continuous tense? Give an example for each use. First, we use the past continuous to describe actions that were happening at a certain time in the past. At this time last year, I was traveling to Miami with my parents. Next, it can express a series of actions in the past. Oh, sorry, Bonk. The second one is not correct. The past continuous describes 2 actions that were happening at the same time in the past. My dad was watching football while my mom was doing laundry. In addition, we use this tense to talk about an unfinished action that was interrupted by another shorter action. They were sleeping in bed while someone knocked at the door. The example isn't correct, Barkley. Bear in mind, we can't put while before the shorter action. We can only say, while they were sleeping in bed, someone knocked at the door. But still, well done, guys. Let's move to the final round. Be prepared. This one is real hard. Do we use stative verbs in the past continuous? No, we don't. Stative verbs expressing a state rather than an action, such as include, smell, like, and need, are not used in continuous form. She doesn't know what to do. Not, she isn't knowing what to do. Congratulations, Barkley! You are the winner of today's grammar show. You can bring home one of these fabulous prizes.
Các bạn ơi, xem tiếp video trên ứng dụng Manabie nhé. Tải ứng dụng ngay hôm nay để sử dụng miễn phí.